Hi, I'm Joe with MotorCity Boat Werks. Where has the time gone? This year we've had some amazing adventures. We've accomplished some really interesting projects and things are progressing nicely. I want to take this opportunity to thank all of the subscribers, all of our Patreons, our friends and supporters everywhere. This channel would not exist without your support. We'll see you in the new year. We've got a whole new lineup of new projects and interesting content. From me and everyone here at MotorCity Boat Werks, I want to wish you a happy holiday. Merry Christmas and have a wonderful new year. All right, back to work, little buddy. We got things to do.